to show you how to adjust the chain. The chain is really super loose after I just got finished installing the bearings in the rear end. So what we want to do here is to come over to the left side and go in front of your caliper, and right here you'll see a bolt and a nut. Take a 5/8 inch wrench and break that loose. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to break these two bolts loose. I'm not going to take them out or remove them. I'm just going to break them loose to where it will release this a little bit to where it can be adjusted. Okay, now we got our bolts loose. You see it's got a place for a really big wrench. I don't have a wrench that size, so I'm going to use this oil filter wrench. Got it on there. I had to take a screwdriver and put back behind here to guide this strap up through there. Now I'm just going to take it, turn it. You can see how it's tightening up the chain. Okay, I'm going to put it right there because that feels pretty tight. I'm going to let this go. I'm going to tighten up my front bolt first. I'll go ahead and tighten these up, and this here worked out really well for this. Okay, that takes care of the chain adjustment. Subscribe, comment, give it a like. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.